மண்ணே மாமலையே மணியே மாணிக்கமே மரகதமே வைரமே பொன்னே புகழ் சேர் பொன்மலையே சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா அஞ்ஞான கடல் நீங்கி கணக்கு ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் குருநாதா நித்யானந்தா ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் நித்யா கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை பொடி பூசி புடுக்கை தனை ஏந்தும் காலனே புடி தோலனே மீனி பிடியால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே ஞாயிறு திங்கள் நித்த முறைகின்ற செவ்விழி கொண்ட செல்வனே சொக்கனே எந்த சோமனே ஐயா சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே அடிமுடி காணா மலையே அகிலமும் போற்றிடும் ஐயனே நாதாவரணனே நால்வர் போற்றிட நயமுடனாடிடும் நாதனே ஆழகாலம் உண்டு ஆழம் காடுதனில் ஆனந்த நடமிடும் ஆதி செய்வனே மங்கையிடம் கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை முடி பூசி உடுகை ஏதும் காலனே புலி தோலனே மீனின் விழிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே மங்கையவளிடம் கொண்டு நீயாடி வாடியாது இருவினைகள் தீர்த்தருளவே நித்யனே இடவத்தின் மேலேறிவா என்றென்றும் ஈசனை தானாடிட புவிதனில்
Sadashiva actually makes a very important statement in Trinetra Tantra when a disciple is initiated in certain power and he is struggling to manifest or not yet manifested. Some manifest immediately, some struggle. What to do? Actually, Saptarishis as Sadashiva. This whole Trinetra Tantra is the conversation between Sadashiva and Saptarishis. And all the spiritual alchemy products you are receiving is conversation between Sadashiva and Rudra. You may ask, Rudra is Sadashiva. Actually, Rudra is extension of Sadashiva who is for this plane of existence. Means the cosmos you know is administered by Rudra, who is manifestation of Sadashiva, means himself, his own extension. So Sadashiva instructs Rudra about the spiritual alchemy products which will be working in this plane of existence. Around 100 and little more than 100. When I was digging little deep, I found a few more things he was kind of a permutation combinations he was giving, and that is a dialogue between Sadashiva and Rudra. Saptarishis as Sadashiva. If somebody does not manifest the power by this initiation, what should we do? What should be the process. He says, give initiation for further powers. Give initiation for the next powers. And he explains, when you put more Kundalini energy, the toxic mental setup developed in the body will be broken. So if you initiate somebody with 2 power and he is struggling to manifest, initiate him with 20 power, he will open up and the whole thing will break and he will start manifesting all 20. Actually, that is what I am going to do today. That is what I am going to do today. Some of the best human beings I have seen, even though society has completely rejected them, their integrity level is so high. Many of the fellows who are given all the best things of the life cannot even imagine integrity of that level can exist. Especially in the personal life and secret life. See, all human beings, all beings have 3 life. Public life, where agreed laws are executed. Like, I will not kill you, you will not kill me. I will not spit on you, you will not spit on me. These are the public life rules. I'll go in the right side, you come in the left side. All these agreements. We call it law. Public life. Then personal life, where you share your love or your space, whatever. There more the rules are like, you both decide what is the accepted agenda. Like, I will not cheat on you, you will not cheat on me. Those kind of that is personal life. Secret life, only integrity to love. In every level, how rich you are with your integrity, that rich you will be having people in that life. If you are integrated in your public life, you will have so much of people being part of your public life. If you are integrated in your personal life, you will have so many beautiful beings part of your personal life. If you are integrated in your secret life, you will have such beautiful beings part of your secret life. In every life, how much you are integrated to that agreement, that decides whether your life is going to be rich. Understand? Rich or living an elite life is nothing to do with the currency you have. It has something to do with the quality of the integrity you have. The kind of an integrity level you radiate. That makes you elite. That makes you real rich. I have seen some of the highest integrity level in that Panchamas, means who are rejected by society, who are unattended by the society, who are not cared about by the society. Society does not even remember they are a community existing. Most of you may not even know they are beings who are existing and they have a life. And there's a big community. I can say very comfortably, at least that community consists of 2 lakh people. Listen, you are going to have 3 spiritual alchemy products today. This is actually, please listen, this represents Sadashiva as he describes himself for this plane of existence. You can even call it as Rudra or Ishana. See, please listen carefully. You need to understand this so that I can work with you with this mandala. Sadashiva, he manifests for each plane of existence in one form and graces, gives liberation, powers, enlightenment. He manifests in beings. So now this plane of existence where all of us are living, let us call it as Bhu. That's the definition. Means the technical term. Bhu is the technical term. Actually, we can imagine, by imagination, we can even go up to 3. Let us, I'll, for the sake of simplicity and trying to make you understand, I'll call this plane Bhuloka. So for this Bhuloka, Sadashiva manifests in a form called Ishana or Rudra. That form's mandala is this. Please understand. It has 5 phases, which is energized by applying Jnananjana, Pulluruvi and Virya. And this is the Surya Mandala. Please understand, this was sent to you as a separate spiritual alchemy product, but it is only a side supporter of original Ishana. It is not actually a separate spiritual alchemy product, but to give you the glimpse, I have sent this as a separate, and many people are going gaga over about it. He is only Dwarbalaka. Actually, this is Surya, this is Soma. These two only I sent to all of you. This is Surya and this is Soma. Sadashiva has 3 I and 3 Pura. 3 I is sun, moon, fire. Fire cannot be given here. It will be given through my initiation. And Tripura, Tambra and Rajata. Tambra means copper, Rajata is silver, gold. Again, gold cannot be given here. It will be given to you as initiation. Gold and fire, these two cannot be brought into matter. Swarna Mandala and Vanni Mandala cannot be brought to matter. It will be directly transmitted to you as power. And other representations are brought down into the form of matter here. So, you can see Sadashiva technically calls this as Rudra. He doesn't use the word Mandala, he is just using the word Rudra. So I will also leave it as it is. I will not call as Rudra Mandala, I will call it as Rudra. Even though the word is not complete, because he is leaving it with that word, I am leaving it with that word. All of you understand? So this he describes in Raurava Agama to Rudra. Sadashiva describes about this in Raurava Agama to Rudra. That printout and translations you will be getting in the form of a book. You are also going to have a book with all the 800 asanas with the Shastra Pramana, means Agama original verse and English translation and Apta Pramana. There are some asanas like a Maschendranatha, Gorakhnatha are all referring the Yogapada of Sadashiva and adding some tips to it. Like they are giving instruction, don't eat non-veg before this asana. And after this asana, eat something high fiber content. Like this and all, they are giving tips. So that Apta Pramana is also added and translated into English. And then my Atma Pramana. I heard many things from my gurus. And whatever I experienced, I give that as English instruction. So the whole photograph of that asana, and with all this, all the 800 asanas, you are going to get it as a book for you to further practice. The work is done. It will be gifted to you. surely in next few days, before the program ends, surely it will be gifted to you. And also all the powers you are manifesting, each and every detail of the Tantra and Agama. You see, Tantra means actually chapter. In the which Agama, which chapter, the verse, translation, and Apta Pramana. Means Apta Pramana means if Ramakrishna has spoken about it, or if Patanjali has spoken about it, or Kshemaraja has spoken about it. Kshemaraja is one of the great master, adept in Agama, and Abhinav Gupta has spoken about it. If any of them have spoken about it, we collect that reference also and put it with the English translation and my own input from my experience. So, Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana. With all these three, you are going to get a book, a big volume. You are going to get for you to refer and answer the questions when people ask you what happened to you. Mainly for that. So, understand in this 5 center are the 5 phases of Sadashiva, which is Satyojata, east facing is Satyojata, Tatpurusha, Agora, Vamadeva, Ishana. So 5 phases of Sadashiva. This is sun, this is moon, fire is the third eye, which cannot be brought as a matter in this. So it will be given to you as initiation. This is copper, this is silver. The gold cannot be brought in the, means Sarana Mandala, cannot be brought into this matter. That will be given to you as initiation. Fire and Swarana Mandala will be given to you as initiation. All the other are fixed in this. So it is all properly filled with the content which makes it as a living product, the God particle. Actually, the God particle word is right word for this only. Maybe we should use the word Godal particle. Godal particle, that's the right word for this. It is filled with all that properly. This will be given to you today.